Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Raja Lunia and here are the trade details for the day 22nd June 2023. Pivot points are marked on my screen already. And for me, like for the initial 1 hour, the market had no direction here. Okay. So, and once it started making this lower lows and lower highs pattern, so this was when my first entry came in, my first and only entry. Actually, I wanted to go short at some point here, but with this, I can say this green candle, high of this green candle as my SL, but this was too close to S2. So this was not a favorable risk to reward ratio because uh, there could be a chance that we have some good reversal at S1, not S1, sorry, at S1. So for me, the entry came at once uh, we had this red candle with pretty decent volume and it closed just below S1. And the second candle, which again closed below S1 and with even a better volume. If you see, there was almost 50% increase in volume. So I went short at the closing of this candle with high of this red candle as my SL. And once I had particularly no target for the day because PDL was also too close. If you see, again, it wasn't 1:1 risk reward ratio here as well. But looking at the global indices, I was expecting the market to go down by at least 1.5%. At least if nothing else, I had expectations of market to go down by at least 1%. So, anyways, once it took a pullback here and gave closing below this one, this candle actually gave closing below PDL and had a pretty good volume again, even more volume than what was the initial breakdown candle for me. So I shifted my entire SL to my cost price. And once I had this candle, so after shifting my entire SL to my cost price, I kept chasing my SL as the high of the previous two candles. So in this case, um, while we had closing of this candle, I kept my trailing SL as the high of this candle. So and it got triggered in the next one. Close to this one. And I went short at some point 18841 with initial SL at 18626. Being an expiry as well, I had an open target and I booked it at 18826. I hope you like the idea behind today's trade and there's a new learning for you in this one. If you found this video insightful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Until next trade.